Professor Rustrom Roy at Penn State calls an alphabet. You can give it new words and new sentences, and therefore it structures itself differently according to the information you give it. And now when you kind of add all the pieces together and you realize that no superintelligent civilization would be broadcasting anything in the radio spectrum because it travels at the speed of light and it's much too slow, and you're starting to see this evidence of action at a distance through hydrogen aqueous systems like the sun and bodies of water and telepathy, the evidence is overwhelming.
Something about these people who actually know the truth. The rest of us here, we're sitting around in cyberspace and on the internet speculating about whether any of this stuff is real, and yet here you have people that are walking up to a crashed disk and looking into the eyes of a wounded or dying alien. I mean, you can't even imagine what that's actually like if you're actually there. There's no more doubt in your mind at that point that we're not alone in the cosmos. And in the course of Sergeant Clifford Stone's work, he was given briefing documents which gave very precise descriptions of all 57 varieties of ET, so that if he came up to a crashed extraterrestrial wreckage, that he would know who he was dealing with when he got there and what kind of characteristics they had.
When I got out in 1989, we had cataloged 57 different species. You have individuals that look very much like you and myself that could walk among us and you wouldn't even notice the difference, except for some of the things that they might be able to go ahead, even in a dark room, and touch an object and go ahead and identify what color that object might be. They would have a heightened sense of smell, sight, hearing,